my channel, everybody. My name is Mackenzie. I am a nursing student in an accelerated nursing program, and here on my channel I talk about everything nursing related. I do a couple of nursing school vlogs. I talk about nursing topics, weight loss, and I'm about to give y'all a little DIY lash tutorial today. I am a DIY girl. Even though I don't really show it on my page, I do have some lash tutorials on my page that I did when I really was starting my channel and I was kind of inconsistent. I do my own lashes, I do my own hair, not too much, just looking a little old. If you judging me, you anti-black. Papa, be a good boy. Today I'm giving y'all a little lash tutorial because I actually just recently found these lashes. I think I found them via TikTok, and these are like the best lashes that I think I've encountered since I've been doing my own lashes. And I've been doing my own lashes for a very long time, since high school. The new way of doing lashes, and they started doing the whole Lashify Dupe stuff, it's been even more of a game changer. So I'm gonna just give y'all a rundown real quick of what I use, and then we're gonna get into the tutorial. I do use my mirror. I actually use the like really magnified side, so I'm like actually up on my lashes. I use a spoolie. Not too much, not too much. I use my lash glue, this lash glue. I'll try to link a picture so y'all can see, and I have two of these. I really have two because the newer ones of those lashes that glue that I've been using kind of don't have as much glue on the little part, like the actual like bond or whatever, and I don't like that. So my older one still has a lot of glue and like real tacky, and I still use both. Got me some cotton pads. I got me some cleanser because you gotta clean them eyes first, and I have me these lash tweezers. So this is the first one that I found. If y'all follow me and y'all see my blog where I posted them, this is the actual first one that I got, and I really liked it, but they didn't have that many left of the longer ones. So I went to looking and actually found this. This is by Pro Lash Beauty, and I'm gonna show you what the inside looks like. So the inside has a mirror, and the lashes come right here, and it's 10, 12, and 14 is 16. Now I do like longer lashes, and one thing I like about this is a D-curl. They're not long that way because they curl up. I wear glasses, and when I wear my glasses, they're not touching the lens. Not too much on my edges. They're looking real crusty. The last time I tried to do a lash tutorial, I never posted it because I was looking so crusty, y'all. It just was looking disgusting. But here goes, oh shoot. Here goes my micellar water that I use. I got that from the beauty supply store. It's, as y'all see, it's almost out, but it lasted me a long time, honestly. Well, I'll clean my lashes off first so they stick better when they're clean. You don't have all that oil and stuff. I take my spoolie, get a little closer. I take my spoolie and I just, go through my lashes, separate them. All right, that's done. Now, I have my lash glue that I put on, and this is the bond. So, but y'all can still see me. So I put it on like mascara. Don't mind my dogs, y'all. I seen some people say don't use a lot of glue. Some people say they only put it on the base, like when I'm on TikTok, but I don't do that. I like really put it on my eyelashes. I don't know if it's just the brand that I use and it's just like brand specific, but I just find it better when I just really put it on my lashes and get it real tacky, because I want these bad boys to stick. And like I said, this works for me. I actually usually keep my lashes on for about a week, so I mean, it works for me. Get them little corner pieces, because them be the ones that start hanging first. Okay, so I did that. Some people wait for it to get tacky. I don't. Now I'm gonna start off with the 16 first on my outer edges. I lift my lash up and I just put that bad boy underneath. They just say don't put it on your waterline because it's gonna hurt. The closer you get it to your eye, it's gonna hurt. And then I'm gonna put a little 12 in the inside. I would do 10, but them really be the same length as my lashes, and I don't like that. So 10. Okay. And then I'm gonna add another 16. So like I said, I like my long. And I put one, I start one right here and then I put one right here because sometimes if I just go from right here that way, it's like kind of weird. It get weird right there, so I'm not able to put the full thing. So that's why I did that. But yeah. This was the 14. And I'm gonna put another 14 right there. And then I'm gonna put another 12. Oh man, I can't see that. I'm gonna put that up later. Put another 12 on my lash. Okay, so that's that. Now, next step. I go back and I reapply glue under because now we're going to stack the lashes. That way you can fill in the gaps and just make it fuller. And make it just look fuller, you know, give it that real mink look. I add it to my actual lash, then I go back and I add it to the lash itself. Like I said, the newer glue, it doesn't have a lot of glue on it. So it kind of makes this process hard, but this is kind of old, so I don't have that much glue left to put on here either. Cause I just feel like when I do this, I get a better stick, you know? Cause now we're not applying it to an actual lash, we're applying it to, you know, these false lashes. And then I just put it under and boom. This is like such a quick process, y'all. I do like when the lashes are wider because it's quicker. So I just put 2 16s. I try to mimic where, you know, how I put them on originally. And I don't put them all the way across. So like, honestly, I might just do one more and then that'll be it, just to give the ends a little fuller look. I seen somebody do that on YouTube when I first started doing my lashes, and I was like, they don't do the full, they don't do all of their lashes over. And honestly, it helps you save to keep your lashes longer because you're not using up so much. And these can be reusable, you just gotta know how to clean them. Which I think I might actually reuse these because these were not cheap. These were actually $21. I usually pay about like $10, but it came with like 180 something. And I lift my eye up so I can get a better view, but actually I think I'm gonna do one more at 14 and then I'm done. You know what, no, that's it, I'm done. I think that's good. I really like these. I like the D curl. Now that I'm done, I go and I put the lock side, it's the clear side. I know that not Lashify, Falscara has like an overnighter. And you can purchase the overnighter separately, but personally, I don't use overnighter and these last a week still. So yeah, and I just like really get it on there. And that's it. Some people will take this and like clamp it. I don't like that. because then it gets sticky and sometimes like it'll take the lashes off. What I will do like later when I'm at home, I will go back and like press it with my fingers once it's dried and nothing's gonna come off. And that's it, y'all. Sometimes I get glue on my bottom lash and I'll take a Q-tip and I have oil. I have like makeup oil. This is not it though, but I do have makeup oil cleaner. I don't have it with me. I'm not in my bathroom. And I clean it like this. That way, you know, my lashes aren't sticking to the bottom, because that can be annoying. But this should be okay too. But oil just really get that glue out better. And I use oil to remove my lashes with my cotton round. But I'm gonna zoom in some. But that is it, y'all. Let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this, because I do my lashes all the time. Let me know if it's a brand that y'all want me to try. Like I said, I do like the D. These are D curl because it gives that more just natural mink look. And I really do like them. These are like my favorite. This is my favorite brand. Like I said, it's Pro Lash Beauty. I love their lashes. And like this video if y'all found it helpful. Comment any video ideas and subscribe to my channel and follow me along my nursing journey and watch me give y'all some more DIYs. Period. That's it. Thank you again everybody for all the love that y'all been showing me and growing my account. It's growing slowly, but it's growing and I'm really appreciative of it. But thank you everybody. Bye. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Put that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag.